You are probably spending double the money you need to for a high-end camera drone right now. The giant we all know as DJI is finally facing a group of hungry tech rivals that are changing everything. For over 10 years, DJI has basically owned the sky with their Mavic and Mini series. But a new wave of Chinese companies is using wild innovation to steal the crown. We are looking at a massive tech war that is pushing the limits of what these small flying robots can actually do. If you look at the drone in your backpack, there is a 70% chance it has a DJI logo on it. They built an empire by making flight software so stable that even a 5-year-old could pilot one. Their OcuSync transmission technology was the gold standard for years because it never dropped the signal. But here is the problem that DJI did not see coming. While they were busy refining their luxury products, other companies started figuring out how to do the same thing for half the cost. Brands like Autel, Fimi, and Potensic are no longer just making cheap toys for the weekend. They are packing massive 1-inch sensors and 8K video capabilities into frames that weigh less than a soda can. Take Autel Robotics, for example, a company that decided to attack DJI where it hurts the most. They focused on open ecosystems and thermal imaging for search and rescue teams. While DJI keeps their software locked down tight like an iPhone, Autel allows more freedom for developers to build custom apps. Then you have Fimi, which is backed by the massive resources of Xiaomi. They are proving that you do not need to spend $2,000 to get a drone that follows you through a forest. Their latest models use advanced AI algorithms that calculate flight paths in real time to avoid every single branch. This is the new generation of Chinese innovation where the hardware is cheap, but the brain inside is brilliant. The real challenge for DJI right now is not just about who has the best camera. It is about who can survive the political pressure and the changing laws around the world. With new bans being discussed in different countries, people are looking for alternatives that offer the same flight stability. This has forced the smaller companies to innovate at a speed we have never seen before. They are adding features like 3-way obstacle sensing and long-range flight modes to drones that cost under $500. I remember when you had to pay a fortune just to get a drone that would not crash into a wall immediately. Now, these new players are putting professional-grade GPS and stabilization in every single box they ship. The climax of this battle is happening in the micro-drone category, where every gram of weight matters. Potensic recently released the Atom series, which directly challenges the DJI Mini by offering a 3-axis gimbal for a fraction of the price. This kind of competition is forcing DJI to stop playing it safe and start taking big risks again. We are seeing a shift from just flying cameras to truly intelligent robots that can think for themselves in the air. The next generation of drones will likely use satellite links and even better AI to fly in places where GPS fails. Whether you love DJI or want to see the underdogs win, this tech race is making drones better for all of us. Innovation is finally moving faster than the brand names we have grown used to seeing. If you want to see which of these new drones is actually worth your money, check out this next video right here.